तर मित्रांनो वेलकम. आपण इथे क्लास 10 महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 2 चॅप्टर 1 सिमिलॅरिटी या ट्रायंगलवरचे काही क्विजचे प्रश्न पाहत आहोत. तर आपण हे प्रश्न सोडवताना जॉमेट्रीचा चॅप्टर असल्यामुळे काही ठिकाणी आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करावे लागतील किंवा काही ठिकाणी आपल्याला डायग्राम काढून बघावा लागेल. तर माझी अशी विनंती राहील की तो प्रश्न वाचल्यानंतर तुम्ही व्हिडिओ पॉज करा आणि तो प्रश्न सॉल्व करा आणि नंतर त्याचं जे आन्सर येत आहे ते चेक करून पहा. तर प्रत्येक प्रश्न वाचल्यानंतर मी साधारण 7-8 सेकंद पॉज घेईन. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला ते आन्सर सॉल्व करायचं आहे, आन्सर द्यायचा आहे आणि आन्सर चेक करायचा आहे. तर आता आपण या क्विजला सुरुवात करू. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ टू ट्रायंगल्स हॅव इक्वल हाईट्स, what determines the ratio of their areas? Correct answer is C. The ratio of their corresponding bases. When heights are equal, the height term in the area formula cancels out, leaving the area ratio dependent solely on the length of the bases. According to the basic proportionality theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides, in what way are the two sides divided? Answer आहे D. In the same proportion. A line parallel to a side of a triangle divides the remaining sides into segments with equal ratios. In triangle ABC, similar to triangle PQR, the ratio of their corresponding sides is 2:3. What is the ratio of their areas? That is, area of triangle ABC as to area of triangle PQR. Correct answer is C, 4:9. Ratio of the areas of similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. What does the angle bisector theorem state about the relationship between the segments of the side opposite the bisected angle and the remaining two sides? Correct answer is C. Bisector of an angle divides the opposite sides into segments proportional to the lengths of the other two sides. Which test for similarity requires two pairs of corresponding sides to be in proportion and the angles included by those sides to be congruent? Answer is SAS test. The side angle side criterion specifically links proportionality of two sides to the congruence of the angle situated between them. In the property of three parallel lines and their transversals, if the intercepts made on one transversal are equal, what can be concluded about the intercepts on any other transversal? Correct answer is D. The corresponding intercepts on any other transversal are also equal. For two triangles, triangle DEF and triangle PQR, if angle D congruent to angle Q and angle R congruent to angle E, which similarity statement is true? Correct answer D. D corresponds to Q and E corresponds to R based on the given congruent angles. In triangle ABC, If D is a point on BC such that AD is the angle bisector and AB is equal to 10, AC is equal to 15, BD is equal to 4, find DC. Correct answer A. By angle bisector theorem, AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. Therefore, arranging the equation, DC is equal to 6. What is the primary condition for the converse of the basic proportionality theorem to be true? Answer is 9. Answer is D. A line must divide two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. If the segments created by a line on two sides are proportional, the converse theorem proves that line must be parallel to the third side. Given triangle PQR where S and T are points on PQ and PR respectively, if PS is equal to 3, SQ is equal to 6, PT is equal to 5, TR is equal to 10, is ST parallel to QR? Correct answer is A. Because the ratios PS upon SQ and PT upon TR are both 1 upon 2. If the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is 25 as to 16, what is the ratio of their corresponding sides? Correct answer is 5 upon 5 as to 4. The ratio of areas is the square of the ratio of the sides. Therefore, taking the square root of 25 and 16 gives the linear side ratio. Two triangles are drawn between two parallel lines sharing a common base on one of those lines. What can be said about their areas? Correct answer is C. Their areas are equal. Why? Because they share a common base and the distance between parallel lines provides a common height. Therefore, their calculated areas must be identical. In the context of similar triangles, which property states that if triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC similar to triangle GHI? Correct answer is B. Transitivity. Consider triangle ABC where AD is perpendicular to BC. If BC is the base of triangle ABC and we consider another triangle, triangle PBC with the same base but a different height PE, what is the ratio of area of triangle ABC as to area of triangle PBC? AD upon PE. Because for triangles sharing a common base, the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Why is the AA test sufficient for proving similarity between two triangles? Correct answer is D. The third pair of angles must automatically be congruent because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. In a triangle MNP, a ray NQ bisects angle N. If MN is equal to 5, PN is equal to 7 and MQ is equal to 2.5, What is the length of QP? Correct answer is A. Applying the angle bisector theorem. If triangle XYZ has angles y is equal to 100 degree, z is equal to 30 degree, and triangle LMN has angles m is equal to 100 degree and n is equal to 30 degree, by which test are they similar? Correct answer is D. AA test. AA test of similarity. What is the ratio of areas of two triangles if the base and height of the first are 9 and 5 and the base and the height of the second are 10 and 6? Correct answer is A. 3 as to 4. In the diagram of three parallel lines, line L parallel to line M, which is parallel to line N, and the two transversals T1 and T2, if intercepts AB is equal to 4 and BC is equal to 8 on T1 and intercept PQ is equal to 3 on T2, what is the length of the intercept QR? Correct answer is C. Because AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR, then putting it into the equation, 4 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon QR has to be 6. If triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, which of the following is the correct proportionality statement for their sides? Correct answer is B. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are in proportion. Which criterion would you use to prove two equilateral triangles are similar? Correct answer D. AA test. In triangle ABC, point D lies on BC if area of triangle ABD as to area of triangle ADC is equal to 3 as to 4 and the triangles have the same height from A to BC, what is the ratio of BD to DC? Correct answer is A. 3 as to 4. Because when triangles share a height, the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their bases. If line XY is parallel to side AC of triangle ABC intersecting AB at X and BC at Y, then according to BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, which ratio is correct? Bx upon Xa is equal to By upon Yc. Is it possible for two triangles to be similar if their corresponding sides are in the ratio 2 as to 3, 4 as to 6, and 8 as to 10? Correct answer is D. No. because the third pair of sides does not share the same ratios. If a triangle has a median CM, what is the ratio of the area of triangle AMC as to area of triangle BMC? Correct option would be A. A median divides the opposite side into two equal bases, and since both triangles share the same vertex C, they have equal heights and equal areas. What happens to the ratio of areas of the two triangles if you double the base of the first triangle while keeping all other dimensions constant? The correct answer is A. Area is directly proportional to the base length when height remains constant. तर मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे आपण ही क्विज बघितलेली आहे. तर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असल्यास लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा, कॉमेंट करा. तर धन्यवाद मित्रांनो.